Hi, I'm Rich. I just wanted to stop in and say thank you to all of you who have watched my videos and have subscribed to my channel. I started out just making videos to help my 92-year-old mom learn how to use her iPad, and then things began to grow. We have thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands of views. In fact, we'll hit 1 million total views before you know it, and to me, that's a lot. But in the YouTube world, that's still pretty small. Either way, it was time for me to stop and say thanks to everyone who's helped this channel grow. There have been so many positive comments posted that it's hard to count them all. I told my wife Rhonda about all the good things everyone was saying, and she just rolled her eyes and said, "You'll need security." I thought that was funny. Well, here's your chance to help me help you. Let me know in the comments below a video topic that you would find helpful. Maybe something you're struggling with on your iPhone or iPad. I've already got a handful of new videos lined up. Many of them are based on your suggestions. Sometimes you guys just come up with the greatest ideas and I hadn't even thought about. Okay, I don't want to take up too much of your time for a non-tutorial video. I just wanted to make sure you knew how much I appreciate you engaging with this channel. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.